Today I'm sharing with you how I upcycled an old piece of furniture into this beautiful pet bed. So I have this old piece of furniture here that I found on the internet and on Craigslist actually. So I bought this little piece of furniture. It was $5, and all I did was clean it off, sand it really good, and then painted it inside. I wanted it to have two different colors, so the inside's white, and then I went ahead and just painted the outside to kind of prime it for this really pretty blue color that I'm going to paint now. And I just closed the doors, taped it from the inside so the paint didn't get in the white on the inside of it. And then I just made these really cool curtains for it out of some fabric I found on sale. I added a dog bed, and I also customized it using my Cricut machine on the top and the two sides. And that's it. And you have this really cool, awesome, beautiful pet bed. This one's customized for a dog, but it could work for like a cat as well. This is for a small dog. So I just added this heart paws on the side, and the other side says always kiss your dog good night. And on the top I have a heart with some paws. And this is what it looks like. So if you guys like these type of DIYs, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so they can see how easy it is to make these really cool pet beds. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.